Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on Yazio app. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.